Hey there pilots, drone nerds and UAV enthusiasts. Today we're doing something super exciting. We are unboxing the DJI Mini 5 Pro. It's here, so let's get it open. There is nothing quite like opening a brand new piece of kit. Let's get the box open. So this is the Fly More combo that we've got here. We lift it out. Look at that. A nice fresh carry case. So the Mini 5 Pro shoulder bag is included with the Fly More combo. Inside, it fits your Mini 5 Pro accessories and batteries in a light, durable and stylish design, keeping your gear protected and ready for travel. Let's unzip. You can see we've just got so many goodies in there. So we'll start with the Mini 5 Pro itself. This is what it looks like. So you can see that it comes with a strap on it now, which you just take off to take off this. So now that straps into place, keeping the sensor a lot more protected. Let's unfold it. And this is what it looks like. So the DJI Mini 5 Pro is ultra lightweight and foldable with a 1-inch sensor, 4K 120 frames per second video, 225 degrees gimbal for more flexibility, camera movement, high quality 48mm med tele mode, forward facing LiDAR, night obstacle sensing, active track and a 36-minute flight time. Next, we've got the DJI RC2 controller. Let's unbox this. This is what the controller looks like. And as always, the toggles are just in the back there. The DJI RC2 features enhanced CPU and GPU. It's got a 5.5-inch FHD screen, 32 gig of storage, a 2T4R antennas, next-gen O4 video transmission, all in a light and compact design. Next, we've got the batteries and the charging hub. With the Fly More combo, you get 3 DJI Mini 5 Pro intelligent flight batteries, and the batteries provide the Mini 5 Pro with up to 36 minutes of flight time, allowing you to capture all shots in one flight. With the batteries comes a DJI Mini 5 Pro 2-way charging hub, so you can place batteries into the charging hub to fast charge external devices or transfer remaining power to a single battery as and when needed. And then lastly, we've got all of the spares all in one box. So in here, we've got spare propellers and charging cables and an ND filter set and then instructions as well, along with some really cool stickers. So starting with the spare propellers, each propeller blade of DJI Mini 5 Pro has been put under precise dynamic balancing tests to increase aerodynamic efficiency and output less noise. The USB-C to USB-C cable. This cable for DJI Mini 5 Pro ensures fast charging, reliable data transfer, keeping your drone and accessories powered and connected. And then the ND filter kit. Let's open this up. Here are the ND filters. So it comes with an ND8 ND32 and ND128 filters to adapt to any lighting condition for brilliant shots. This is everything in the box, guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to give Coptrz a shout and we'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for joining our unboxing and see you again next time. Bye bye.